It's another new day. After you watch this video, your life will change. After you watch this video, your life will change. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? If you are new on my channel, remember to like, comment and share my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. And you, my long-time supporters, I love you. I don't joke with your love. I really love you. Thank you for your support. And if you have been watching my channel, my videos for some time, please remember to subscribe to my channel, because I really need your support, right? You have a lot to gain on this channel. Okay, become a big family. And like I always say it, I don't have fans, I don't have supporters, I don't have subscribers. I have a family, and you, all of you, are my family. Alright, I treasure that. I appreciate that. I appreciate your love for me, and I don't joke with it. So thank you so much. And as you subscribe to my channel, God in His infinite mercy shall bless you. Okay, without taking much of your time, today's video is, after you watch this, your life will change. After you watch this, your life will change. So I would really need you to stick with me till the end of this video, okay, so that you get all the instructions in this video. So after you watch this video, your life will change. A lot of people complain about bad luck. They complain about lack of progress. They complain of lack of mercy. They complain of lack of favor. They complain of problem of promise and fail. There's so many problems that people experience, that people go through. But there is a simple way to bring good luck and progress to your life. If you are a man, you can bring good luck and progress to your wife. If you are a woman, you can bring good luck and progress to your man. Okay? And if you are a single lady, the good luck and progress will come to you. After this video, your life will change for the better. After this video, your life will change for the better. Okay? So if this is something that is very interesting to you, then let's go right ahead into the video. Okay? Just stick with me till the end of the video. I know you've been waiting to hear what it is, but just be patient. Okay, let's get the video started. So what do you need? We would need original honey. This is honey right there. So we need cinnamon powder. Okay, this is my original cinnamon powder. So you will need two ingredients. Original honey. Please let it be original honey, and get original cinnamon powder. Okay, make sure it is original cinnamon powder. So you can buy the stick. If you don't have the powder, buy the stick and just blend it yourself. Okay, so how do you prepare it? So get a container, right? Add your honey into it. Okay, so when you add the honey into it, you have to cover it up and keep it over the night. You have to keep it over the night. Then you have to pick it up before 6 a.m. in the morning. You have to pick it up before 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, So when you pick it up, you open it up, you open the container, then you have to add your cinnamon. Make sure you do like equal quantity of honey and equal quantity of cinnamon. You can use maybe 2 tablespoons of honey and you use 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So make it whatever it is. If you are using 6, make sure it's 6 tablespoons of honey and 6 tablespoons of cinnamon. If it is 2, use 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm sure you get that. Okay, then you have to mix together. You have to use your middle finger to mix it together in the bowl. Okay, so while you are mixing it, you have to pray for progress, good luck, open doors, favor, mercy, financial power, anything at all that you want. You have to pray. Okay, you have to pray. If you're praying for your husband, do that same prayer for your husband. If you're praying for your wife, do that same prayer for your wife. If you're praying for your children, do that same prayer. Whoever it is, you can do this prayer for somebody else other than you. Okay, so after mixing it together with your middle finger, then cover and keep for 7 days. After this video, your life will not be the same. After watching this video, your life will not be the same. After watching this video, your life will change for the better. Okay, so like I said, cover it and keep for 7 days. So then you have to put some drops in your, after the 7 days, put some drops of that mixture, right? Put into your bathing water. Put some drops into your bath water, with your middle finger. You have to use your middle finger to get that drops. Just put it in your bath water in the morning when you want to bath. Okay, now let me warn you. If you are having your menstruation, if you are a woman and you are on your period, don't touch this. Okay, for married women using it, the favor and good luck will come to your husband. Okay, for married men using this, the favor and progress and all the goodness will come to your husband. Okay, for married men using this, the favor and goodness will come to your wife. Okay, so but for single ladies, the progress and the favor will come to you. I'm sure you get this. So after this video, your life will not be the same again. So I've come to the end of the video. I'm sure you love this. I'm sure this video is very helpful. If this video is helpful to you, just go right ahead and like this video, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Don't just watch this video all alone. Share with your friends and family. Share it far and wide. Share this video on your social media handles. Okay, let us become friends on Instagram, on Facebook. Join the WhatsApp group. If you have any questions for me, just leave it down in the comment section. And I promise you, you're going to have a testimony. You're coming back on this channel to share your testimony. And I pray your testimony shall be permanent. Alright, so I will come back with yet another beautiful spiritual video. Until then, I leave you in the hands of God. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, and be blessed. I love you so much. Bye bye.